Hi girlies, welcome back, and welcome back to the Homemaking Hollow series. I know you guys have voted to bring back the series, so today I wanted to bring you guys along. First, I want to try a new recipe. It is a muffin recipe. I was influenced by Marigold Manor to try these, so super excited. This recipe is actually from Jordan Marsh, if I'm remembering correctly, but this recipe calls for blueberries, and it's Sunday. So what better thing to do than to go to the farmer's market on a Sunday? Like, love that for me. So, new muffin recipe. We are going to the farmer's market. One thing about me is I'm a farmer's market connoisseur. If you say let's go to a farmer's market, say less. So we're doing that. Also want to make a simmer pot, and then a possible want to give you guys a little update of the Dove Cottage, what the home is looking like. As you guys can see behind me, I have some plates for my plate wall, and then I want to show you guys the living room. We've got a rug, we have pillows, we have a different couch. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's go ahead and jump into this video. So we are back from the farmer's market, and this is what I got. 2 cucumbers, great size, blackberries for husband, 1 onion. Okay, so we have blueberries for the blueberry muffins that I will be making today. And then we have some basil that got a little squished in my bag, but that's fine. But that is everything from the farmer's market today. It was so nice today, but it got a little hot, so we're gonna take a little break. Okay, hey girls, so I'm not even gonna play with you and tell you that it's like put on the same dress. It is the next day. Quite literally, these muffins took me out, along with the 40-minute walk in humid hot weather here in Philly. I was like, I'm done. Like, I don't need, look, so you have me here today. Different outfit, different day. So today we are going to be talking about my vision for Dove Cottage. If you guys didn't know, Dove Cottage is my apartment. That is what I named the apartment. So I wanted to show you the updates and the touches of Alexis, the touch of whimsy that I've added to this apartment. Now I will say this apartment, bare bones, is very modern and sleek. You can see that in the cabinetry. It's very sleek, kind of glossy. I do not like that, but truly I love the location, and other than that, like, I can deal with the cabinets. Like, growth, seriously, growth. If you know, you know. But I wanted to talk about and, you know, tell you what all the cute little things that I've done. Because before we didn't have a couch, we didn't have a rug. So my style is coastal cottage. And you might think that's a little bit contradictory, but I love the whimsy and the collectiveness of the cottage, and it just feeling cozy and like you just want to linger. Now I do like the calm that a coastal home has and like the neutral colors. So what I took from these two elements is that my home has a color palette of creams, whites, blues, and touches of color. Like I probably will say like greens, light pinks, and florals. Really big on bringing in florals to add that whimsy.